I'm crying. You know, I've deactivated my account. And guess what? Who found me on Discord and sent me a video of shits? Like, what the fuck is this? Look at this, guys.
Hello. Ako po si Sheridan Ebad. Ako po ay addict sa shabu.
Like, what the
Ito po ang aking vlog.
Demi is so crazy. He's a crazy person, right?
Ayoko, ano po
I know, right? Should have. Crazy. It's so crazy. And I missed him, by the way. I miss him. I just don't want to be a burden. Look at my hair, like it's that dead. So I need something to stop him from crying. So I bought some clip. If I have money, I'll buy it. I'll buy all of it. Like, who the fuck you? Why would I care? So that's it. And my ear have been aching now. Like, maybe there's a pimple inside. I don't know. Sigma. My nose is so bad. I feel so bad. So we have music here. Bye bye.